and welcome on another module of Python for penetration testers. In this module, we'll be looking about subprocess. Subprocess is basically a module which allows you to spawn new processes, connect to their input, output, or error pipes, and obtain their return codes, right? So it basically helps us in invoking other processes which are running and interact with them, right? Fine. So the way we can run our sub process is, let me just first get into my Python interpreter. Fine. So first we have to import sub process module. So we do import sub process. Fine. So the basically command goes like this: sub process dot call. Okay. Now in call you are gonna give the argument. Okay. So argument are basically in the form of list. So first comes the name of the program. Let's say yes. Okay. And the argument let it be UX. Right. Run it. So these are the processes. Right. All right. Moreover, we can do ls subprocess dot call. We can do ls in this way. Let's start ls. So it's basically give us the list of the files present in the current directory, right? Okay. Another way is, so by default our shell value is set to the false in the subprocess. So we can put the shell value equals to true, but there is some security hazard on it. Okay, so I'll leave it for you to do a research why shell equals to true is a security hazard, right? So basically we can do suppress.call exit one and shell equals to true. So it's exiting by giving us 1, right? All right. We can also map std and std out, std error of the sub process involved, right? So for doing that, it's very simple. You can like do we can do sub process dot p open. So p open is basically used when we need pipes. So we are going to use pipes over here. So put ls comma stdin equals to subprocess dot pipe. Okay, std out equals to subprocess dot pipe comma std error equals to subprocess by, right, and comma close underscore fds equals to true. And let me save this whole values in a variable. Let's say process equals to, okay. I think there is a typo. Since a process is not there is a over here. Another one I got, name true is not defined. Okay, caps, right? So if I do process dot std out dot read, so it should give me the list of the directories, right? Fine. So this basically comes helpful while we are doing process automation, and basically when we are making security tools in Python, this comes very handy. So it was a simple demonstration of it. You can check the manuals, okay? And I do recommend you to check that manual of Python subprocesses, right? And it will be very much helpful for knowing much more functions and new arguments, okay? All right, so this much I had in mind for this module. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.